Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 4 of Getting Back on Track. It's all about eating well whilst you are on the go. Now, this was perfect for me to record because yesterday I literally had meetings back to back about a really exciting project that I can't talk about right now. Not right now, but soon I will. But anyway, I had meetings back to back in London, so I literally just ate out the entire day. I was really busy. I was hectic, you know, London's like subways, traveling. It's a headache. Literally, if I'm being honest, I absolutely hate eating out. Yeah, it's convenient. You don't have to cook, you don't have to clean, but I don't know exactly what's going into my food, and that is something that I do not like. I like actually seeing what's going into my food and knowing exactly kind of what I'm eating throughout the day. So this is what I got up to. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll get back to you at the end to tell you how it went.
In the morning,
Okay, so we've arrived to London because we have like our meetings and everything, which I'll tell you guys about more after we have the meeting. I haven't had breakfast yet and I'm absolutely starving, so we've come to prep. And I've got a bottle of water to stay hydrated. I have a hot shot, and this hot shot is like with orange, turmeric and like Cajun pepper, and Jack's got one as well. So these are like the little turmeric shots here. And then to eat, I've got one of these veggie like brioche things that have like egg and spinach, mushroom, sun-dried tomato, egg, spinach, everything in there, brioche. And then I also have some eggs, salmon and spinach as well. So that's going to be my breakfast. I will tally up like the total calories and put them here. And then we're going to have the meeting and I'll get back to you when we have lunch. Okay guys, so we just finished our meeting and honestly it was such an exciting meeting. I'm not going to give out too much because it's still in the making, but 2019 I'm going to be bringing out my first product. Let me tell you something about this product. You ain't ready. It is such exciting news. Literally, it's something that I've wanted to bring out for such a long time. It's definitely not bands, but it is something that I wish I had and still wish I have. Like, it's just lacking in the market, I feel. So it's definitely something that will potentially help you guys, whether you're a student, whether you're a gym bunny, whether you're working, whatever you want to do. So it's a very exciting stuff. We're off to eat now. Jackaroo, my hunky chunky, comes with me everywhere we go, by my side, because he loves me so much. So we're gonna go grab some food in like Covent Garden, and then we're gonna head on back home. We're gonna pick up Button Bear from her granny's house. I call her granny, it's actually Jack's mum. So we're gonna go pick up Buttons after we get back home, and then I'm gonna head over to the gym. Then I'm gonna eat out tonight because I wanna just obviously keep this video relevant to the title, which is basically eating on the go and eating out. So I just finished the gym and it's currently like 8 p.m. in the evening. Can you see these shadows? I'm so sorry, but you're gonna have to bear with me. I'm still gonna be eating out. I don't want to eat out. I really like cooking and knowing exactly what's going in my food, but this video is to show you guys kind of like you can eat healthy on the go. You can eat healthy if you're eating out. You just have to make smart and nutritional decisions. I had my protein shake after the gym, and literally Women's Best Shake, just down it, have it with a bit of water. You can have it with milk, whatever you fancy, but I just like to have it with water, and if they can at the gym, they always blend it with ice. It looks like I've got shades on. Shades? Anyway, I am literally just sitting in the car park because we are going to head into Nando's. And if you guys don't know what Nando's is, it's just basically like chicken, peas, rice. And if you don't have anything like that, then honestly, my biggest advice is when you go out to a restaurant to eat, remember that you are paying for that food. So, if you fancy your chicken being cooked with olive oil instead of butter, then you have a right to ask for that, people. You are paying your money for that food. And they can't turn around and be like, actually, sorry, we can only cook it in butter. What if you're intolerant? Have you ever thought about that? Keep it nice and simple, nice and healthy. Every single, obviously, food thing I've been incorporating all the macros so you guys can see kind of the macros as I go along. And also I'm going to tell you the prices at the end, how much I spent today. I don't even know how much I've spent. Actually, Jack's been paying for everything because I don't want to be aware of what I'm spending. And then at the end, we'll tally it all up, if I'm being honest. Jack's been paying for it all. So let's go because I'm bloody hungry. Okay guys, so we got a medium butterfly chicken, some salad, some rice, some peas, rice and peas and chicken, rice, peas and chicken, and then Jack's got two breasts, double the breast, and then he's got some, oh my god, how much carbs do you have? Like, it's just carb and protein, there's absolutely no minerals in there. You look very sad about that. So, I'm gonna dive into this and then we're gonna head on home. Alright guys, so, we've just come to Tesco and I want some snacks, and obviously I can't have any of the snacks from home. So we are going to buy some snacks and I'm going to show you kind of what you can eat on the go to be healthy and dandy. So one of the snacks I'm going to have is some yogurt, and I think it's such an easy snack to have and you can't go wrong. There's so many alternatives nowadays, like there's light and free. What I'm gonna have is, I'm gonna have literally one of these honey ones from Total. Can you see that? Honey and Greek yogurt. That's gonna be one of my snacks for tonight, and then I'm gonna get another one as well. So there you go, I kept healthy throughout the day. I made sure every single meal had protein in, and that was my main concern. I wanted to have protein with absolutely every single meal, and I wanted to have some form of vegetables. As you saw when I went to Nando's, I had peas and I had a side salad. I kept it simple with the carbs, and I opted for rice. You can opt for sweet potato as well. You can definitely eat healthy on the go, but it is expensive. I'm not being funny, but literally you can go to McDonald's and get a bloody cheeseburger, fries and a drink for less than £5. But when you want to eat healthy, somehow carrots and vegetables seem to be more expensive. I don't understand it. I don't know why that is the case, but this bloody country needs to do, and every other country needs to do something about it. But this is exactly what I wanted to show you guys, that yes, you can eat healthy on the go. However, one, it can be expensive. Two, you're not necessarily going to know exactly what is going into your body. And three, you could fall short of your macros. So that is kind of what I wanted to kind of say about this. There is no excuses. You can opt for healthy foods, but to be honest, in my professional and personal opinion, you need to be meal prepping. In order to see results and in order to be consistent, you need to be meal prepping your meals. It will save you money, it's effective, it will help you see results in the long run because you are being consistent. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put the total of macros right now here that I had. Ding! And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, you are following me on Instagram, and you comment down below for any future videos that you would like to see. And remember that I love you always, always, always and forever. Bye.